Bonjour. We're here at Village Shinoya. Dinay. Aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi le 23 février. Today is July 23, Thursday. Dinner. Getting ready for our Japan trip. Pag nabigyan ng visa. Sayang ito. Doon kaya? Dito na lang? Ito yung may couch. Yep. Parang ano to, yung taipang oh. Yung kita yung nagluluto oh. Okay, natapos din. Kulang na lang yung yung bank certificate. Puro mga mali-mali ang information. Sabihin walang Embassy of Japan, of the Philippines, yung BPI bank certificate. Yung video naman, meron yung name ng embassy pero fill lang nilagay, fails. Napaka-informal, diba? Baka ma-deny pa pagkaganda. Here it is. Ito yung tonkatsu. Yes, that's mine. Yung isa, katsudon. Okay. Bon appétit. Thank you. Merci. Please subscribe. Au revoir.